Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to add multiple assignees in Asana. So once you guys log in into your account, we're going to select the task you want. Then we're going to add a subtask primarily. So we're going to click on the plus button. So now we're adding a subtask. So we're going to rename it as assignee A. Then next we're going to go to the assign button. Then we're going to click on it. So you guys could assign any email you want, any person you want. Then you guys could also select the date, the start date. Again, we're going to assign a different assignee. So we're going to add a subtask again. Then rename it as assignee B. Same, we're going to go to the assign subtask section. If you want, you guys could enter any email you want and invite them by clicking on the invite button, as you can see. Or you guys could assign it to yourself or other team members. So that's how you add multiple assignees in Asana. It's a very simple step. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.